Question 1. Which enzyme is responsible for unwinding of DNA during replication? A. DNA polymerase. B. RNA polymerase. C. DNA helicase. D. DNA ligase. The correct answer is C. DNA helicase. Question 2. The Calvin cycle occurs in which part of chloroplast? A. Grana. B. Thylakoid. C. Stroma. D. Inner membrane. The correct answer is C. Stroma. Question 3. Which of the following hormones is secreted by the adrenal medulla? A. Cortisol. B. Aldosterone. C. Adrenaline. D. Thyroxine. The correct answer is C. Adrenaline. Question 4. Which phase of meiosis results in reduction of chromosome number? A. Prophase I. B. Metaphase I. C. Anaphase I. D. Telophase II. The correct answer is C. Anaphase I. Question 5. Which pigment is primarily responsible for absorption of light energy in photosynthesis? A. Carotene. B. Xanthophyll. C. Chlorophyll A. D. Chlorophyll B. The correct answer is C. Chlorophyll A. Question 6. The functional unit of retina is A. Neuron. B. Rod. C. Cone. D. Photoreceptor. The correct answer is D. Photoreceptor. Question 7. Which type of RNA is involved in splicing? A. mRNA. B. tRNA. C. snRNA. D. rRNA. The correct answer is C. snRNA. Question 8. The Bohr effect is related to A. Oxygen binding of hemoglobin. B. Carbon dioxide transport. C. pH-dependent affinity of hemoglobin. D. Allosteric enzymes. The correct answer is C. pH-dependent affinity of hemoglobin. Question 9. Which part of nephron is impermeable to water? A. Proximal convoluted tubule. B. Descending limb of Henle. C. Ascending limb of Henle. D. Collecting duct. The correct answer is C. Ascending limb of Henle. Question 10. The genetic material in tobacco mosaic virus is A. dsDNA. B. ssDNA. C. dsRNA. D. ssRNA. The correct answer is D. ssRNA. Question 11. Which scientist proposed the operon model? A. Jacob and Monod. B. Watson and Crick. C. Mendel. D. Beadle and Tatum. The correct answer is A. Jacob and Monod. Question 12. Which blood group is universal recipient? A, B, B, C, AB. D, O. The correct answer is C. Question 13. The primary growth in plants occurs due to A. Lateral meristem, B. Apical meristem, C. Intercalary meristem, D. Vascular cambium. The correct answer is B. Apical meristem. Question 14. Which hormone inhibits seed germination? A. Gibberellin, B. Auxin, C. Ethylene, D. Abscisic acid. The correct answer is D. Abscisic acid. Question 15. Which of the following is an example of incomplete dominance? A. Blood group, B. Snapdragon flower color, C. Pea seed shape, D. Pea flower color. The correct answer is B. Snapdragon flower color. Question 16. The structural and functional unit of muscle fiber is A. Myofibril, B. Sarcomere, C. Actin, D. Myosin. The correct answer is B. Sarcomere. Question 17. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B12, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. The correct answer is A. Vitamin A. Question 18. Which cells secrete hydrochloric acid in stomach? A. Chief cells, B. Parietal cells, C. Goblet cells, D. Paneth cells. The correct answer is B. Parietal cells. Question 19. Which stage of human embryonic development implants in uterus? A. Zygote, B. Morula, C. Blastocyst, D. Gastrula. The correct answer is C. Blastocyst. Question 20. Which nitrogenous base pairs with cytosine? A. Adenine, B. Thymine, C. Guanine, D. Uracil. The correct answer is C. Guanine. Question 21. Which plant hormone is responsible for apical dominance? A. Auxin, B. Gibberellin, C. Cytokinin, D. Ethylene. The correct answer is A. Auxin. Question 22. The process of conversion of nitrate to nitrogen gas is called A. Nitrogen fixation, B. Nitrification, C. Denitrification, D. Ammonification. The correct answer is C. Denitrification. Question 23. Which structure in bacteria helps in attachment to host cells? A. Flagella, B. Capsule, C. Pili, D. Mesosome. The correct answer is C. Pili. Question 24. Which organ is primarily affected in hepatitis? A. Kidney, B. Liver, C. Pancreas, D. Gallbladder. The correct answer is B. Liver. Question 25. Which antibody class is involved in allergic reactions? A. IgA, B. IgD, C. IgE, D. IgG. The correct answer is C. IgE. Question 26. Which phase of cell cycle shows DNA synthesis? A. G1, B. S. C. G2, D. M. The correct answer is B. S. Question 27. The enzyme Rubisco shows affinity for A. Only Co, B. Only O, C. Both Co and O, D. Only RuBP. The correct answer is C. Both Co and O. Question 28. Which cranial nerve is responsible for vision? A. Optic, B. Olfactory, C. Oculomotor, D. Facial. The correct answer is A. Optic. Question 29. Which hormone regulates circadian rhythm? A. Thyroxine, B. Melatonin, C. Cortisol, D. Insulin. The correct answer is B. Melatonin. Question 30. Which scientist proposed chromosomal theory of inheritance? A. Mendel, B. Morgan, C. Sutton and Boveri, D. Watson. The correct answer is C. Sutton and Boveri. Question 31. Which type of muscle is involuntary and striated? A. Skeletal muscle, B. Smooth muscle, C. Cardiac muscle, D. Visceral muscle. The correct answer is C. Cardiac muscle. Question 32. Which stage of respiration produces maximum ATP? A. Glycolysis, B. Krebs cycle, C. Electron transport chain, D. Fermentation. The correct answer is C. Electron transport chain. Question 33. Which organelle is involved in modification and packaging of proteins? A. Ribosome, B. Endoplasmic reticulum, C. Golgi apparatus, D. Lysosome. The correct answer is C. Golgi apparatus. Question 34. The inheritance pattern of color blindness is A. Autosomal dominant, B. Autosomal recessive, C. X-linked recessive, D. Y-linked. The correct answer is C. X-linked recessive. Question 35. Which part of brain regulates body temperature? A. Cerebrum, B. Medulla, C. Hypothalamus, D. Cerebellum. The correct answer is C. Hypothalamus. Question 36. Which enzyme converts fibrinogen into fibrin? A. Thrombin, B. Prothrombin, C. Heparin, D. Plasmin. The correct answer is A. Thrombin. Question 37. Which plant tissue is responsible for secondary growth? A. Apical meristem. B. Intercalary meristem. C. Lateral meristem. D. Ground tissue. The correct answer is C. Lateral meristem. Question 38. Which lung disease is caused by smoking? A. Asthma. B. Pneumonia. C. Emphysema. D. Tuberculosis. The correct answer is C. Emphysema. Question 39. Which hormone stimulates milk ejection? A. Prolactin. B. Oxytocin. C. Estrogen. D. Progesterone. The correct answer is B. Oxytocin. Question 40. Which part of sperm contains enzymes for penetration of ovum? A. Head. B. Acrosome. C. Middle piece. D. Tail. The correct answer is B. Acrosome. Question 41. Which plant shows double fertilization? A. Gymnosperms. B. Pteridophytes. C. Angiosperms. D. Bryophytes. The correct answer is C. Angiosperms. Question 42. Which organism is used in production of insulin by genetic engineering? A. Virus. B. Yeast. C. E. coli. D. Amoeba. The correct answer is C. E. coli. Question 43. Which cell organelle is absent in prokaryotes? A. Ribosome. B. Plasma membrane. C. Nucleus. D. Cell wall. The correct answer is C. Nucleus. Question 44. Which type of immunity is transferred from mother to child through placenta? A. Artificial active. B. Artificial passive. C. Natural active. D. Natural passive. The correct answer is D. Natural passive. Question 45. Which process produces genetically identical offspring? A. Meiosis. B. Sexual reproduction. C. Binary fission. D. Cross-fertilization. The correct answer is C. Binary fission. Question 46. Which enzyme is absent in glycolysis? A. Hexokinase. B. Phosphofructokinase. C. Pyruvate dehydrogenase. D. Enolase. The correct answer is C. Pyruvate dehydrogenase. Question 47. Which mineral is essential for synthesis of hemoglobin? A. Calcium. B. Iron. C. Iodine. D. Magnesium. The correct answer is B. Iron. Question 48. Which plant hormone is gaseous in nature? A. Auxin. B. Ethylene. C. Gibberellin. D. Cytokinin. The correct answer is B. Ethylene. Question 49. Which part of ear maintains balance? A. Cochlea. B. Eustachian tube. C. Semicircular canals. D. Auditory nerve. The correct answer is C. Semicircular canals. Question 50. Which chromosome determines sex in humans? A. X chromosome. B. Y chromosome. C. Autosome. D. Both X and Y. The correct answer is B. Y chromosome. Question 51. Which organism shows alternation of generations? A. Human. B. Bacteria. C. Fern. D. Amoeba. The correct answer is C. Fern. Question 52. Which part of flower develops into seed? A. Ovary. B. Ovule. C. Anther. D. Stigma. The correct answer is B. Ovule. Question 53. Which respiratory pigment is present in annelids? A. Hemoglobin. B. Hemocyanin. C. Chlorochlorine. D. Myoglobin. The correct answer is C. Chlorochlorine. Question 54. Which disease is caused by deficiency of insulin? A. Goiter. B. Diabetes mellitus. C. Addison's disease. D. Cushing syndrome. The correct answer is B. Diabetes mellitus.